Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to make grilled cheese and tomato in my cast iron skillet. Okay, first of all, we put the heat up on high. Put some EVOO into the pan. And here we have a press, a cast iron press, Food Network. I bought at Kohl's. Now we have some cheese here. And we have the bread. We want to put the cheese onto the bread. And we want to add the tomato on top of that. And I like to add a little salt and pepper to the tomato, give it a little taste. Salt. And we top it with the other piece of bread. And we put it right into the cast iron skillet. Gonna put a little oil on this side of the bread too. So we flip it. Okay, that's fresh. And I'm going to recycle these bags. There's a recycling triangle here. Recycle that. Everyone's got a spatula. We want to put the weight, the cast iron weight, right on top of the sandwich. We want to keep the heat on high because that puts a nice brown color on it. Put a light on here. And we want to check the bottom. Make sure it's getting brown but not burnt. Okay, that's brown, so we can flip it now. Just flip it over. See the nice brown color? Now we want to put the press on this side. A little more EVOO on below. I'm going to lower the heat because it's starting to smoke a little to medium. Okay. In 10-15 seconds it should be done. We're going to plate it. Okay. We check it. Yep. Okay, it's done. We're going to shut the heat off. We're going to plate it. Oops. I got my dish. That's how to make grilled cheese and tomato with a cast iron skillet. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you in the next video.